Myself Haritra Devidas Sawant and I am from first year BAMS and my topic name is Dhatwagni. So before coming to the topic, we will know what is Agni. Agni in Sanskrit means fire, and according to Ayurveda, Agni happens to be the entity that is responsible for all digestive and metabolic processes in the human beings. Agni exists in the human beings in the form of digestive fire. Now we will know the definition of Dhatwagni. Dhatwagni plays an important role in synthesis as well as in breakdown process of every dhatu. Dhatu meaning tissue and Agni meaning fire. Thus, Dhatwagni means the fire which is located inside the tissue. This fire acts on the nutritive part they receive and then convert them into finer components. The component thus formed after the action of Dhatva Agni on the food help in the formation of some tissues, nourishes the next tissue in sequence, produce energy and tissue toxins or waste components which are meant to be expelled. Thus, Dhatva Agni are the functional or physiological fires related to the seven dhatus or tissues of the body and denotes regular operation taking place at the cellular level. Now we will see types of Dhatwagni. Rasa Dhatwagni, Rakta Dhatwagni, Mamsa Dhatwagni, Medo Dhatwagni, Asti Dhatwagni, Majja Dhatwagni, and Shukra Dhatwagni. Rasa Agni. Panchakash and heat contained in Rasa Dhatu is called Rasa Agni. Vitamins such as A, E, C, vitamin B1, vitamin B12, biotin, pantothenic acid, and enzymes, lipase, phosphatase, etc., present in plasma or lymph enable amino acids, glucose, lipids for the production of Rasa Agni. Many endocrine secretions from pancreas, pituitary gland, thyroid gland, suprarenal glands are also included under Rasa Agni. When Dhatwagni Mandya takes place, diseases such as diabetes, obesity, weight loss can occur in body. Formation of lymph. This picture shows how the formation of limbs takes place. Rakta Agni. Panchakash and heat contained in Rakta Dhatu, that is blood. Vitamin B12 and folic acid on the basis of the function can be said as Rakta Agni. Action of Rakta Agni on precursor of Rakta Dhatu form Sar and Kitta. Erythropoiesis. Erythropoiesis is the process which produces red blood cells, which is the development from erythropoietic stem cell from mature red blood cell. Decrease of Rasagni produces dryness, fatigue, emaciation, exhaustion without any work, and noise intolerance. Decrease of Raktagni produces desire for sour and cold things, loss of tension of veins and arteries, and dryness. Masa Agni. Heat present in the Masa Dhatu, that is Masa Agni. Agneya fraction in the Masa Dhatu is present in the form of vitamins like thiamine, ascorbic acid, etc. Enzymes like myokinase, CPK, enzymes involved in protein synthesis. Action of Masa Agni on precursor of Mata Dhatu form SAR. Myogenesis is the formation of skeletal muscular tissue, particularly during embryonic development. Medo Agni. Panchakash and heat present in Meda Dhatu is known as Medo Agni. Action of Medo Agni on precursor of Mesa Dhatu leads to form SAR. Adipogenesis is mostly defined as the process by which pre-adipocytes get differentiated into adipocytes. Asta Agni. Heat present in Asti Dhatu, bone and cartilage is called Asta Agni. For bone calcification, vitamins A, B, C and parathormone are necessary. Calcification of bone occurs from organic and inorganic phosphate with the enzymes like alkaline phosphatase. Natural process of bone formation is known as ossification. Decrease of Masagni causes debility of the sense organs, emaciation of cheeks, buttocks, and pains in the joints. Decrease of Medo-Agni causes loss of sensation in the waist, enlargement of spleen, and emaciation of the body. Decrease of Astagni causes pain in the joints, falling off of the teeth, hairs, nails, etc. Majjagni. Heat contained in Majja Dhatu, that is bone marrow, yellow bone marrow, and red bone marrow, is known as Majjagni. Hormones such as secretion of pituitary and suprarenal glands can be considered as Majjagni. Stem cell formation. Stem cells provide new cells for the body as it grows and replace specialized cells that are damaged or lost. They have two unique properties that enable them to do this. They can divide over and over again to produce new cells. As they divide, they can change into the other types of cells that make up the body. Decrease of Majjagni causes hollowness of the bones from inside, giddiness, and seeing of darkness. Shukra Agni. Panchakash and heat contained in Shukra Dhatu is known as Shukra Agni. It can be correlated with vitamin E and H, essential for spermatogenesis and the maturation. Metabolic disorder related to Shukra Agni is like PCOD, that is polycystic ovarian disease in females. Spermatogenesis and oogenesis. The process of sperm formation of male gamete, that is sperm, is known as spermatogenesis. Oogenesis. The process of formation of female gamete, that is ovum, is known as oogenesis. Decrease of Shukragni results in delay in ejaculation, ejaculation accompanied with bleeding, severe pain in the testicles, and a feeling of hot fumes coming out of the urethra. Dhatu Utpatti. This image shows how dhatus are formed in the body. As we know that we all take in food, and digestion process begins with the formation of rasa dhatu produced by Jatar Agni, and with the help of all the seven Agnis, ojas, the most refined product of digestion, is formed, and the waste products are removed from the body with the help of the process excretion. Relation between Panchabhautika Agni and Dhatva Agni. Every constituent of human body is made up of Pancha Mahabhutas. By this rule, every Dhatu has predominance of one or two Mahabhutas. Hence, Panchabhautik Agni are present in every part of Dhatu. Along with Dhatva Agni, Agni of Mahabhuta present in Dhatu transforms qualities of nutrients into qualities of stable Dhatu. And also Acharya Vagbhata says that proper function of every Dhatva Agni is depends on Jatar Agni. Increase or decrease state of Jatar Agni directly affects the functions of Dhatva Agni. Effect of increase or decrease state of Dhatva Agni on metabolism of Dhatu. Increase of Dhatva Agni can lead to acceleration of catabolism of Dhatu, wasting of Dhatu, and volume of Dhatu reduces. Weak or decreased state of Dhatva Agni can lead to acceleration of synthesis of Dhatu, and volume of Dhatu increases. What happens if Dhatva Agni Mandya takes place? Increase or decreased state of Dhatva Agni either enhances or reduces tissue growth, respectively. Hence, balanced state of Dhatva Agni is important to control synthesis as well as breakdown process of every Dhatu. For example, increased state of Medo Dhatva Agni will accelerate catabolic rate of Medo Dhatu. Acceleration of catabolism of Medo Dhatu will result in weight loss or Medha Kasha. Weak or decreased state of Agni of Medha Dhatu will enhance synthesis of Medha Dhatu, which will result in weight gain or obesity. Weak or decreased state of Dhatva Agni is called as Dhatva Agni Mandya. And metabolic disorders related to Dhatva Agni Mandya are like diabetes, obesity, weight loss, PCOD, polycystic kidney, etc. Site of synthesis of every dhatu. With the help of Dhatwagni, every dhatu is synthesized in the respective srotas that it channels, and thus Dhatwagni plays a very important role in human body. And if Dhatwagni Mandya takes place, it can lead to several diseases. Explaining briefly the digestive and metabolic functions of Agni, Acharya Charaka has mentioned that various types of dietic materials are digested by the own Agni, Bhuta Agni, encouraged and enhanced by Jatar Agni, which is further digested and metabolized by Dhatva Agni to associate the body with the nutritional strength, complexion, and happy life, along with providing energy to the seven dhatus. Thank you.